Hello. QuickRows provides a function to perform automatic column operations, either with numbers or texts. Let's see an example of algebraic operations calculating the discount, the value-added tax, or VAT, and the total amount to a list of invoices. QuickRows is invoked pressing the combination Control Q. Then we will use the function number for column operations. All we have to do is insert the letters of the columns, and the symbols of the required operations. This formula simply deduces the discount for each invoice to obtain the net amount. The output is assigned to the next available column in the sheet. Tax calculation is made the same way. We could change the default destination column if necessary. Finally, we add the new columns, net and tax, to get the total amount. That's it. As you can see, a really simple and friendly procedure. QuickRows provides the same functionality when dealing with text instead of numbers. It can even perform text subtraction, a powerful function to clean tables easily. The following example gives you an idea. This listing contains lots of records with emails and websites. So we will remove the emails from column A. We will use the same function and insert the subtraction operation, as if the columns contained numbers instead of texts. QuickRows searches on each cell of column A the content of column B, and eliminates it, no matter its position within the cell. Column A will be overwritten. This function can save you lots of hours of boring tasks if used properly.